Hello to my all guys, followers, listeners, and dear respectful members. How are you all? Hope all be fine and doing very awesome. So before we start, I want to request hit the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so you guys receive latest videos notification and check the description and join our Telegram channel so you guys get updates and powerful strategies and daily signals and a lot of work there. So today I'm going to share an awesome secret strategy. I call this one secret strategy. Why? Because this strategy really very helpful and very good. So I will explain all points one by one so you guys understand. First of all, we have to set up this strategy so you guys understand how to use and what is this all about. So first indicator you have to choose is called parabolic SAR. Some people call it dot indicator, some people call it saw indicator, some people call it parabolic saw. So I hope you guys understand. The second indicator we're going to use in this strategy is BB Bollinger Band. A Bollinger Band, this is a trend-based strategy, and Bollinger Band also we use for trend trading and swing trading. So guys, let's move on. Setting. First of all, we'll click on this F icon and go to Bollinger Bands, and the setting already mentioned there. Just click on this. Apply to low. Period will be 14. Deviation. Shift. Apply to low. And choose any color you like. Okay. I will go for black, or I will go for this color. I will choose the 3 pixel. Let's click on done. And here is the first thing. This Bollinger Band is going to help us to understand the behavior of a market if you want to trade in trend direction, for swing, for scalping, for day trading. Okay guys, so now the second thing, the second indicator we are going to add in this strategy is parabolic SAR indicator. So again, click on F icon, click on plus icon of a main chart, click on a parabolic chart. The setting already set it here, so please check. Okay guys, 0.1 step, maximum 0.2. Let's click on done. And now here is the setting of this strategy is almost done. Okay, if you want to use parabolic SAR, you can. If you don't wish, you can remove easily. Okay, the main focus is Bollinger Bands. Okay guys, so let's have for a while this one. Go for boom 1000 on M5 time frame and get the signal. Okay, here is a buy signal. I hope you guys understand. Look here how easy this strategy. The first condition you have to look in this strategy for and buy or sell. The first condition, the Bollinger Band must go from downside of a candle upward. From downside of a candle to upward. Look here, from downside of a candle and upward. And the parabolics are also showing the upward movement. Okay, it's time to go for buy trade. Okay, And now let me show you boom 500 how to go for sell. The parabolics are and the blinger one both show the sale trade. It's time to enter for a sale. Look here, the blinger band, the middle one, is crossing the candles from upside and going downward, and the parabolics are also the dots showing the market is in downtrend. You can set your stop loss the previous high and go for this one. Okay, so this was a sell signal here, and now the market is going up and showing us here, look here, which is showing that market is going up. So you can see the parabolics are, which is showing that market is going up, and that the middle Bollinger Band also showing that market will go up. Look here, it's crossed the candle, and from downside it wishes to go here. Okay, look here, M1, which is showing the clear buy, and go for M5 and enter your buy trade. This is the condition for buy. So now let's move on other index. It's popular volatility 75 index. In the index, you guys love this index, I know. And I'll look at the strategy how gonna help you to scalp a volatility 75 index. The same way you guys enter, you can do some changes in the strategy and make it 50 and make it 200 and change it to 0 and click on done. Now your strategy here in front of you guys, and I'll look here. The candles started going up from downside of a Bollinger Band is moving going on. Look here, Bollinger Band is crossing from downside candles to up, so it's showing the market will go where upside. Okay, and the parabolics are the dots also showing the market will go upside. So this is the way, guys. Okay, you can also use the price action in this strategy as support and resistance, and for confirmation you can use this strategy here. Look here, for confirmation you just need to understand these areas. A parabolics are and the winter blinger band crossing upward the candles and going down. It's mean the sell started. And for buy, I already shown up here. This is the buy signal. For confirmation, go to M1 and check it is buy or sell. This is also showing buy. Okay, you can minimize and check. Use support and resistance with this strategy, and this strategy is gonna help you. Very awesome strategy. You just need to focus on few things and look here the buy signal. Okay, look here how easy to predict a buy signal. Look here, boom, 500 M5, jump 75 index, which is going buy, and here is showing buy. Look here. So this is the power of this strategy. I hope you guys Understand? If you have any question, you can type in comments. Thank you. Have a good day.